Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? After a long time, BTT will wake up, and my brother is completely go in the moon now. So it's a great news for all BTT holder to BTT is starting moving upward now in the previous days. You know what's the main reasons to this coin is wake up, and this coin is completely going the moon now. So the main reason is that to holder are stop selling, and they are starting investing more and more. So therefore, you can see here BTT, one of the unique coin, they will starting moving upward now. And you can see over the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. Especially I make this video for all new holders. You can see here because in last 24 hours this coin is completely wake up and going the moon now. So it's a really great news for all of you. My friends, you can see here 2.6% the price is increasing now. 0.003 US real is the latest price. It's a really great news for all of you. To this coin is also, my friends, take a very huge jump now. So it's a great news, my brother. And you know, my brother, BTT, one of the fastest coin, and its priority from all coin, because in this same time, my brother, this is one of the unique coin to they will wake up and go in the moon now. So it's a really great news for all of you. My brother, BTT is one of the unique coin, and it's a very good coin for a long term investor, not for a short term investor. If you have any plan to invest for a short time, then I think you are in the wrong, my brother. You need to invest for a long time. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a profit now, and they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching, BTT holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.